Panic has gripped residents of Doddabetta area about 9 kilometers from Ooty after a wildcat killed 3 people in the area. A massive hunt has been launched for this man-eater. More than 45 schools have been closed, and remember, Ooty is a very popular tourist destination. The Nilgiris administration has roped in special teams and forest department personnel to hunt for the wildcat. People have been told not to venture out into the forest. The authorities have also now roped in elephants to help them trap the carnivore. Joining me now from Chennai is my colleague Srisha Reddy. Ooty being what it is, a very popular tourist destination, this must have spread panic. What are the district and forest officials telling you? How hopeful are they of catching this man-eater pretty soon?
So they are of course very hopeful, but one interesting news in this particular incident is that there seems to be a pattern to this particular incident, because in the past 4 or 5 days, 3 incidents have took place, and 3 incidents took place in the time between 4 to 4:30 in the evening. So that's why they have shut down more than 45 schools in that particular area, and special task force have been put in place. And also, as you clearly mentioned, even Kumki elephants have been pressed into service, and they will be travelling into the forest, and the district collector have been looking into this very closely, and they will be using tranquilizers. Unlike shooting them, they will be using these tranquilizers so that they can get all these carnivores. They have been the eyewitnesses, however, say that there might be a tiger or a leopard or a panther, but they are not very sure, because it's very rare incident that has taken place. And the eyewitnesses, when I was speaking to a lot of eyewitnesses, they didn't tell us that they have seen such an incident taking place a few decades back, maybe 40 years back. So this is something first of its kind for a lot of people who have stepped into that particular place.
Right, Srisha, we'll continue to track that story closely with you. Well, that's it on the Peninsula Update this evening. Back to you, Shiv, in the Delhi studio.